Hi there, welcome to our introduction to vocal training and reading practice. If you are looking to improve your vocal clarity, expressiveness and public speaking skills, you are in the right place. This method is all about enhancing your vocal flexibility and confidence through a combination of vocal warm-up and reading exercise. We'll start with vocalization, lip trips and siren sounds to get your voice ready. Then we'll move on the reading aloud and practicing toe twist for better diction and articulation. It's great for everyone from age 12 and up, and it's adaptable to both small and large groups. Plus, we'll got tips for inclusion so everyone you want feels comfortable and supported. If you are interested in learning more, check out the document linked below for all the details included. Thanks for joining me. If you found this helpful, give it to your friends and share it, and subscribe for more insights for improving your public speaking skills.